Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the classic chicken man from Roblox. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one's a pretty funny looking character. So to begin, we're gonna start out with his eyeglasses first. So we're just gonna draw in. We can start out with just two lines first, and this is gonna be the top of his eyeglasses. And then from those two lines, we're just gonna draw basically a rectangle underneath each one. Draw another one here. And then once we have the frame, we can just kind of connect it in the middle with a little curve. And then now for the inside, just start on the top here. Just draw like one curve, kind of touching the top, and then another one touching the bottom. And then once you have that, just kind of close it off on the sides here. So we're basically just drawing a egg shape inside. And then lastly, just put in two dots. Nice and creepy looking eyes. Alright, and then from there we're gonna draw in his mouth. So just come straight down the middle. It's just basically a little oval. And then once we have that, let's fill in the face. So on the side of the glasses here, we're gonna come down right about here, at the bottom of his mouth. And then once you have that, just kind of curve it slightly. Just gonna make it a little bit more complicated. And then we'll just come across and close it off. Alright, so that's the bottom, and let's move on to the top. Finish. This part's easy, so we're just gonna go up. And then for this, we're just gonna curve it all the way around. And that's gonna finish up his head shape. And now we gotta join the chicken. Okay, so we're gonna start here. Side here, we're just gonna go up. Join the chicken leg. So start here, come across. Just kind of curve up, almost the same thing. Okay, and then once you have this, just come up right around here. In the eyes, you just come up, make a little dot, and just curve it all the way around his head. Connect to the side. Alright, so now we gotta draw in the bone section. We're gonna curve it, just kind of go up. And this one, we're just gonna curve this way, just kind of follow that curve. And then now close it. Okay, and then come here, just come out to the middle. Just make a little dot, and then we're gonna curve and just connect that. And this side is gonna go this way. Alright, so that's the bone sticking out. And let's finish up the body. So the body is really simple. We're gonna, right on the neck area here, we're just gonna come out. It's gonna be pretty wide. Come down on the shoulders. And then we're gonna pinch it in, so curve all the way down to his waist. And close it off. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of detail here. Just kind of curve like this, so just give him a little bit of a chest muscle here. Alright, and then now we can draw his arm. So for his arm, it's gonna be straight, so start right here in the armpit. Just gonna come almost straight down to the waist area. And then we're gonna come back up here. Now for the shoulder, we're gonna curve out. And just go straight down. And then close that off. And then for the hand, it's really simple. Start on the inside, we're just gonna draw a little hook like this. And then we'll go on the outside here, draw another hook, so this is his other finger. Alright, and then once you have that, we can just kind of hook it up. And then close that off with another curve. Alright, so let's draw the other side, same thing here. Armpit coming down. Shoulders coming down. Curve, close it off, and then same thing here for the thumb. Come down and just kind of hook it first. Now for the back side, come down, hook, and then this side we're gonna go up, just kind of follow that curve. And then for the thumb here, same thing. Alright, So for his legs, it's super easy. So come straight down the middle. Just draw a little line first. And then this side, we can start on the inside first. We're just gonna come almost straight down. I'm just gonna give it a slight angle going out this way. And then once you have that, I'm gonna start back up here on the hip. And then just come straight down. And just close that off. And then for his shoe here, we're gonna draw one line across. And then from the corner here, just draw a little dome shape side to side. Alright, so same thing here. Come straight down, slight angle going this way. Come back up to the hip. Straight down. Close it off. And then same thing here, just use the other side for reference. And then for the dome shape, corner to corner. And that is it for this very funny looking chicken man from Roblox. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.